BVMS All-in-One, how to add a workstation, and enable forensic search. In this video, we will show how to add the BVMS All-in-One as a workstation to the system, so forensic search can be used on existing recorded video. Step 1. Adding a workstation. If the BVMS All-in-One is not configured as a workstation, forensic search in Operator Client will not work. A message will display, stating that forensic search needs to be configured for the workstation first. Open Configuration Client, and select Devices. Right-click Workstations in the device tree, and select Add Workstation. Enter the BVMS All-in-One's IP address, to add it as a workstation. In Settings, make sure Enable Forensic Search is selected. Save and activate the configuration, and add a description. Make sure Force Activation for all operator clients is selected to propagate changes. Step 2. Using forensic search in Operator Client. In Operator Client, select Switch to Playback Mode. Drag and drop a camera to run forensic search on. And select Forensic Search. Create a new forensic search task by selecting New. For this test we select Crossing Line. Add a new line, and place it so it will detect line crossings in the right direction. For this test, we will not configure many other settings, except set alarm extension time to 1 second, to make the alarms more visible. To show results for our newly created task only, disable task alarms for other configured tasks. Now select Timeline in the middle lower part of the screen, and select the time interval by clicking and dragging the two sides of the time indication line. Click Search to search for task alarms in the select time interval. When the search is finished, the number of found hits is shown. Select Forensic Search Results in the lower middle of the screen. Simply double-click any result to show it on the screen in the active pane.